Hi everybody. Okay, so this is practice problem number 1 for homework number 1. I'm doing this on my computer. Hopefully this works okay. Usually I use the light board, but with the construction it's hard to get to right now. So the statement is we're supposed to convert, 106.8 exajoules into kilotoe. Remember where toe is tons of oil equivalent. So this is a given amount of energy equivalent to how much you would give off if you set an entire ton of oil on fire. Not a good idea. Okay, so we'll use standard dimensional analysis. So how that works is we write our beginning value, which is 106.8 exajoules. Now we need to get to kilotoe. And for me, the easiest thing to do is to look up a conversion that we know, which is, as given in class, 41.87 gigajoules is equal to 1 toe. So we need to get to gigajoules from exajoules. So we have exajoules on the top. We'll multiply it by the number 1, but the number 1 in a very fancy way. Specifically, 1 exajoule is the same as 10 to the 18th joules. Those are equivalent statements, right? This is the same as that. Therefore, this ratio is 1, so we've just multiplied this by 1. But it allows us to say this is no longer an exajoule. See, exajoules cancels, and we're left with joules. So we've converted this number into joules. But we need gigajoules, right? So now we're going to multiply by 1 again. But we need joules to be on the bottom. So we know that there are 10 to the 9th joules in 1 gigajoule. So again, we've multiplied by 1, where now we're letting this joule cancel out with this joule, and exajoules is canceled, so our current unit is gigajoules. So we got to gigajoules, which is what we wanted because we know that 1 ton of oil equivalent is equal to 41.87. That's an 8. Sorry, my computer pen freaks out sometimes. 41.87 gigajoules. Okay, but we need to get to kilotoe. So to get that, so again, see how this exajoules cancels with exajoules, joules with joules, and gigajoules with gigajoules. So we need, please ignore that. We need the toe to cancel with toe. And we know that there are 1,000 ton of oil equivalents in 1 kilotoe. So those cancel, and we're left with the units of kilotoe. So now we take this number, multiply it by 10 to the 18th, and divide by 10 to the 9th, 41.87, and 1,000. And when you do that, you get 2,550,752 kilotoe. All right, so that is 106.8 exajoules in kilotoe. We're going to convert between units a lot in this class, so this is a good practice problem to do. All right, let's move on to the next one.